What's up, Classroom Besties? It is your girl, Coach Ty, and I am back on here with another video. I feel like this video needs to be one where I honestly just talk to y'all and tell y'all who I am. I feel like it should be like that reintroduction. I started YouTube a long time ago, right? I was not like one of the girlies who was very consistent in it. I started back in 2021, uploaded a couple of videos, and then found myself falling off. And so I'm back here now, right? I've accomplished so many things. I mean, I am an entrepreneur, I am a mama bear, I have a spouse. I do all the things. And so I really wanted to just come on here and chit chat with you guys and just tell you about who I am, tell you how inconsistent I was, but how I am going to start being very consistent. I'm currently sitting inside of my daycare, and so I'm super excited just to be able to come on here and share with you guys the journey. So I am a 21-year childcare veteran. I've been doing childcare for a very long time, baby, fresh out of high school. So I have seen the ups and the downs of childcare. And honestly, the reason why I started the channel and I started doing all the things that I do in childcare, because now I'm a childcare coach and a trainer. And like I said, I opened up my own center because I just saw the deficit in childcare. I saw where the need is so great. And when I say the need, I mean like what childcare teachers need, the support that they need, the help that they need, the inconsistency, and sometimes us as directors in giving everybody what they need. I saw a greater need, and it was bigger than me. So I wanted to be able to come and share all of my expertise, everything that I've learned, because baby, listen, I have learned so many things, and I feel like it is only fair to give that knowledge that I've learned over these past 21 years, just pass it on to the newer, generation coming in that is lost and doesn't know how to conduct their classroom and don't know how to make it innovative and fun. I created this channel just for that. So I want you to lock in. I want you to come back every single week. I'm going to post twice a week, long form videos, things that are very, connective to your classroom and what it is that I know you can bring when watching my videos. So you can learn so much from the videos, but outside of that, I really just want to be your classroom bestie. I want to be that girly in your head telling you that you can do it, but not only telling you, but showing you how to do it. I want to give you practical steps, and I just want to walk with you along the way so that you know that it is doable, that you can do it. I'm really just on here right now connecting with you because I need y'all to understand that there is somebody out there that has done it already. I've done all the things that you are trying to do, and now I want to show you how to do all the things that you really want to do, but in the most innovative, fun ways for your kids. Your kids deserve the best versions of you, right? They deserve to be able to come in that classroom, know that you're going to come in and give it 110%, but most importantly, know that you want to come in and give it that 110%. You deserve to be the best version of yourself. And so every week I'm going to show up to remind you of who you are and what you are capable of doing, okay? On this channel, you can ask me any questions that you want. I'm very transparent, and I don't mind sharing my expertise, right? That is the reason, again, why this channel is created, so that you will know that there is somebody out there who does not mind walking you through the hard days that you have in that classroom, but most importantly, making those hard days easy days with practical tips, strategies, and steps that you can easily follow to get your classroom where you want it to be. Your classroom is your sanctuary. It is a space just for you, right? It is a space where you and your children dwell. So what is a classroom when it's not fun, when it's not inviting, when it's not connective? It's boring, right? It's unfortunate that we're living in the times that we're living in where it's hard to connect and get that connectivity that we need. But when you create an atmosphere, when you create a classroom for those babies that feels like love, that feels like connectivity, baby, that's the vibe. That's the vibe we're going for over here anyway, right? It's to connect with those baby in ways that sometimes they don't even get at home. You are their safe space. You are the safe haven that gets them to where they need to be. So on this channel, we're going to talk about all things children, all things childcare, and all things childcare professionals. That's you. That's us, right? This is a safe space for you to be able to come and say, you know what, baby, I had a hard day. But I looked at one of Coach Ty's videos and Sister Girl helped me understand why I really decided to do this. That's my one goal. That's my one job. That's the only thing that I'm here to do. I'm not here to do another thing, but to make you remember, right? And never forget why you were created for that classroom. My job is to simply give you loving every single day, even on the hard days. I want you to be able to come back to my videos and connect with them and understand that, oh, she does care, right? There is somebody who's done it before. There is somebody who I can lock in with because they get it. They understand it. I get you. I understand you. 21 years of service in childcare is not for the weak. I have seen a lot of things, but not only that, I've lived through a lot of moments. And I can tell you this, I know for sure that we are going to get through this and we're going to get through it together. It's one of those things where you just got to get through it. You just got to live through it. And even in me saying that, and even in me professing that, I know that everything happens and it happens for a reason. And everything we live through is only a season. So I want you to lock in with me. Every Tuesday, every Thursday, I'm going to come back right here. I'm going to give you something special that you can use, something very practical that you can use in your classroom. And for the most part, you're going to be as successful as you allow yourself to be, right? I can't make you successful. I can't make you be anything other than who God has created you to be. But you will be able to have this information and you can believe in yourself. Right? And as we connect with each other and we lock in, I'm going to start to invite you to some special things that I have that I love sharing with teachers. And you're going to be able to be a part of a community that loves on you when you need it the most. So thank you so much for listening to my new intro, right? And connecting with me and learning about who I am. And every Tuesday and Thursday, I want you to tap in because there's going to be something new, something exciting, and something that you can use that is practical for you to give to those kiddos. They deserve what you have to offer. You deserve to give it to them. But most importantly, we see you and we know that you are capable of doing all things. So love on your babies in your classroom, connect with them, but most importantly, love on yourself. Because if you're full, you can give them the full version of you. But if you are empty, they're not going to be able to get anything other than your emptiness. So I love you. Join me every Tuesday and Thursday as I love on you and tell you and show you practical ways of being able to be the best version of yourself in your classroom. See you soon.